Well, back home, impact investment firm Omidyar Network India has decided to exit the country and transition out of the market by the end of 2024. Now, the impact investor told CNBC TV 18, and I quote, that it's achieved its primary objective of catalyzing impact. Aishwarya Anand is standing by now with more details. Aishwarya, what's going to happen to Omidyar's India portfolio? And it's a pretty large one at that.
Well, what we are hearing is that over the next 2 months, Omidyar Network's leadership team will assess how best to manage its portfolio as it plans to exit India by the end of next year. The decision has put a question mark over Omidyar's holdings in over 90 startups and social enterprises, which include unicorns such as Vedantu, Daily Hunt parent Verse, and DealShare. The portfolio also includes 1mg, Bijak, Bounce, Masai School, Farmart, Healthcart, Indify, among others. Some of its investments have also come in the social sector, having backed the likes of Teach for India, Give India, IIM Ahmedabad Startup Incubator, and even the Indian School of Business. What's to be noted is the sudden decision to halt operations in the country comes just within a week of Omidyar Network India leading a 50 crore rupee Series A funding round for dairy fintech platform DGV. The firm told CNBC TV 18 that its decision was heavily informed by the significant change in context and growth in the economic landscape for its team in India. Omidyar Network, which was in fact set up by French-American entrepreneur and eBay founder Pierre Omidyar, also believes that it has achieved its primary objective of catalyzing impact in the country. There is more Indian-led philanthropic and venture capital than ever before. The country has a vibrant startup sector, and several funds now have a middle and lower middle income focus as part of their investment strategy, the firm said in its statement. Omidyar, which has invested $500 million in both profit and not-for-profit enterprises, will now focus on exits while maximizing returns with zero disruptions. We also learned that conversations on exits have started with portfolio founders, with the assurance that Omidyar Network will remain in the country until the end of 2024 and even after if needed. This move will impact all 37 members in its India office, who will be transitioned when Omidyar exits India by the end of next year. Back to you.
Aishwarya, many thanks for joining us. Now, Paget Electronics is... For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.